Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a new beauty brand at Sephora called KAJA. Now this brand launched at Sephora mid last year, I think. You know, this brand has been getting really good reviews on Sephora, so I thought, you know what, why not sit today and actually review a few products from this brand. So one of my goals this year for my channel was to try out newer brands that I've never really tried before. So in January, I tried out Juvia's Place, which I was really impressed with. So I'll link that video in the info box above, so you guys can definitely check out that. So today I'm going to be trying out this Korean beauty brand called KAJA. If you know something about Korean beauty or K-beauty, they really focus on, you know, glowing skin, really pretty makeup. You know, you want to look really healthy, really dewy, and just really beautiful and radiant from within. So that's what this brand is also all about. So that's why I wanted to test out this brand today to see, you know, what products I'll enjoy from this brand, what products are no-go for me. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I want to do a little bit of face makeup before I zoom in and do my eyes. Now, if you go onto Sephora's website, for this brand, they don't really have a foundation. They have a primer and concealer. There is only one type of primer that they have, and it's called the Blur Drop Weightless Water Primer. It comes in a really beautiful mint blue packaging. Okay, so it does have a pump, which is really cool. So I'm gonna add a little bit of it. It's like a gel primer. It's really lightweight. So this primer is weightless, fast absorbing, and has a moisturizing formula. It blurs imperfections. It's soft, focused, and natural matte finish. So I'm expecting almost like a smoothing, blurring effect to my skin. It actually smells really nice. There's a really light scent. It felt more like a smoothing primer. I'm not sure yet if it blurred my pores all that much, but we're gonna move on to the next product. So for foundation today, I'm just gonna use my Givenchy Matissime Radiant Matte Foundation. Again, this is a really good foundation. It's medium coverage, but it provides such a nice glow to my skin. So I'm just gonna quickly add this. Now I'm gonna zoom in closer and then we'll get started with the eye makeup. I've already done my brows off camera because they didn't have a brow pencil, but they did have a brow gel. This is the Brow Blowout Gel. I got it in the darkest shade, so I got it in the shade dark brown. This product actually looks like the Essence brow gel that I love so much. I'm gonna run this through my brows. I'm gonna take some product off. So far so good. My brows are looking good. We'll see if my brows move around or not, but I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So I'm just going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I really want to give the eyeshadows a chance to look good. So we have the Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. I picked up the one in Toasted Caramel. There were a few different types of trios available, so I picked up the one which looked a little bit on the bronzy side. So the first shadow looks like that, which is a light shimmery golden shade. Our second shade is almost like a bronzy shimmer. This one is a shimmer as well, and it's a really beautiful dark bronze shimmer. So these are the three shades here. So that's what they look like. They are really beautiful and soft shimmers. So one thing to note obviously is that there's no matte shadow in this trio, which, you know, may or may not work for some people, but it's okay. You know, we're trying out a new brand and I want to see the types of things they offer. So I'm only going to work with this eyeshadow trio today. I'm going to go in with the middle shade. I'm going to pack that all over the lid. And it's beautiful shimmer. It is so sparkly. I hope the camera is picking it up. This middle shade right here looks more like a sparkly topper right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade and put that in the outer third of my eyes. So just layer this product. So if you're looking for an all shimmer trio, these ones are really nice. Now I know in North America we are used to a certain type of look, but that's okay. It's never too late to experiment with something new. Using a different brush, I'll use the first shadow right here in the inner corners and obviously on my brow bone. So currently this brand doesn't offer any liners or any mascaras yet, so I'm just going to use my own. I'm going to use a Tarte liner. I'm not going to do a wing today, so I'm just going to add a little bit of a line here. I'll use my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes mascara right now. I'm going to add a dark brown liner in my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to keep my eye makeup like this. I'm not going to add on false lashes today. Next up, I want to try their concealer, which is the Don't Settle Flawless and Seamless Concealer. Sometimes there are controversies surrounding Asian brands that they don't usually have, you know, a wide variety of skin tones. They always cater to lighter skin tones, and you will see that in their product range sometimes the very darkest shade they'll have is like beige or something like that. But I was happy to see that KAJA has a nice range of concealer shades, so I'm hoping that whenever they come out with foundations that is the same thing. So let's hope that this concealer is good. It has a paddle applicator. I'm just going to blend this out and we'll see the coverage. It's supposed to be medium coverage, but we'll see. So this concealer is the type of concealer that I like because it's really lightweight, and yeah, it's pretty much light to medium coverage. If you're looking for more coverage, this is not the concealer for you. That blended out really well, so I'm going to continue on. They don't have a powder, so I'm going to just go ahead and add my Revlon Photo Ready setting powder using the same brush. I've never really seen them promote, not this brand particularly, but I've never really seen Asian brands promote too much of bronzers. I'm going to add some bronzer because otherwise it makes me look really pale if I don't add a bronzer. Like, I'd much rather skip blush, but I do like bronzer. Alright, we're gonna move on to doing blush, and I'm actually really excited about this product. This is their Cheeky Stamp Blendable Blush. It comes in this beautiful pink packaging. Again, their packaging is like the cutest. This product is actually a cushion blush, similar to like cushion foundations you might have seen in the markets already. So this is the thing I actually wanted to try. This is like a heart-shaped applicator, which is again really cute. So what I have to do now is take this, stamp it in here like a nice, see, it has product on it now, and then I'm going to stamp it here. So cute, so cute, oh my gosh. Now I'm going to use my fingers and blend this out. Okay, so I definitely shouldn't have done it twice because that's a lot of blush. What I'm gonna do is blend it out with my foundation brush. and this had much less product than this side, so I'm gonna have to really fix this side now. This applicator does take up a lot of product, so I would definitely just use my fingers. Okay, so now that we have a noticeable flush on our skin, obviously the blush shade is super gorgeous and it is very, very pigmented, so like I said, be aware of how much product you put on your face. Alright, so next up we have highlighter, and for that I'm going to use the Mochi Glow Bouncy Blendable Highlighter in the shade Luna. This is a cream highlighter. Looks like this. Oh, the packaging is to die for. But yeah, it is a nice sparkly champagne shade. So I am literally just going to use my fingers. It has a very natural finish. So I'm definitely going to highlight everywhere. So the last thing I have to try out for this brand today is this lip liner lipstick duo called Two's Company. It is a lip liner on one side and a lipstick on the other, which is a really neat idea. I love that. So it has the lipstick on one side and then this is the lip liner. So I'm going to swatch that here. Amazing, amazing color. So, so pretty. I'm going to start off with the lip liner first. The lip liner is really, really creamy. So I'm going to move on to the lipstick. So the formula is a creamy matte formula. Love the color, guys. One of my favorite colors. And I love that it has a lip liner on one end, so then you don't have to like buy a separate lip liner. This is such a genius idea. Alright guys, so that's it. That completes today's makeup tutorial using KAJA makeup products. I really enjoyed trying out this brand. It's been on my radar for a while. I've been really excited to try this brand because it has really affordable pricing compared to a lot of products that are sold at Sephora. And second thing is I wanted to try out a brand that is geared towards more natural makeup. And I wanted to see how good it looks on the skin, how good it is for everyday wear. I'll tell you my most favorite products. Those are the lip liner, definitely the highlighter, and of course the cute heart blush. Again, lip liners and lipstick, very creamy, very easy to use, very pigmented like you saw. Highlighter, it's great for every day and it glides on really beautifully, gives a really nice sheen to the skin. The blush is really pigmented, so you have to be a little bit careful, but it can give you some really nice results. Yeah, so I really love this shade as well. Saucy. This is a really beautiful shade for my skin tone. So obviously my skin looks a little bit blurred, a little bit, you know, my pores are looking really small. So I think it's going to be a good product, but this type of product needs like a longer wear test to see if it actually does any good or not. So I'm going to keep trying this, and maybe in the future I'll let you know if I like this product or I don't like this product. The concealer I really like. It is a very natural concealer, so for someone who is looking for a lot of coverage underneath their eyes, you have to either layer this on or you can pick any other concealer. This eyeshadow trio right here, I would have really liked a matte shade because so this shade right here is really nice for the inner corners, and then the darkest shade is really nice as well. But this shade in the middle didn't really impress me. It looked more sheer. Like it looked more like a topper than an actual like eyeshadow. The brow gel, it's not anything special. It is definitely an affordable price range. So you can definitely pick this up if you are interested in a brow gel. But again, if you guys have already like a good brow gel at home, then you definitely don't need to buy this. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed me trying out some KAJA makeup products. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!